Look at the state of this. The tines are shot, and as I thought, the transmission is completely seized. This is a big job.
See all that varnish in there? We'll chip away the worst of it, then use the spray to clear the jet completely. We had to use the cheater bar to get these straight, but now with the new grips and fresh paint, it's perfect.
എടുത്തേക്ക് നമ്മുടെ
After loosening the mounting bolts, carefully lift the tank away.
Okay, with the bolts loosened, we can lift the handlebar assembly clear. Now for the throttle cables. Be careful not to damage the housing.
We'll secure the air filter housing clips. Then, using pliers to remove the clamp on the old fuel line, we can swap it out for the new one and tighten it down.
Once the carburetor is off, we clean the jets thoroughly in the solvent. After drying, we carefully reassemble and we've replaced the old pull cord and fixed the recoil housing. Now let's see how it spins the flywheel.
Check the tension with the pry bar, make sure it's snug. Then align the new guard cover and secure the bolts with the socket wrench.